Hi, are you looking to prepare for the B2 First exam but don't know where to start? While it's true there are many free online resources, knowing where to start, what to cover, and what to do if you make a mistake can be overwhelming. Check out our website at www.getb2first.com where we go over everything you need to do great on the B2 First exam. Don't worry, we've created a platform that goes over everything that you'll need to do great on the B2 First exam. We have listening, speaking practice, writing practice, as well as the reading and use of English section. Come to www.getb2first.com and see how our platform works.